On the Bronx's Bruckner Boulevard, the sun is out, and so are plenty of volunteers from the surrounding area, lending their time and aid for a cleaner neighborhood. Dedicated volunteers from the NYPD Explorers Program, RXR, the Bronx Chamber of Commerce, and more unite to clear the streets and sidewalks along Mott Haven of any litter and refuse. The Bronx Chamber of Commerce, one of today's main organizers, puts together this annual event to foster a sense of connection among longtime residents and new arrivals to the community.
It brings together unity. It gets people out. It gets people to see one another. It gets people to also engage and love their community and love their neighborhood.
With new properties emerging in the area, the mission statement through this initiative is to bring people together and encourage a sense of belonging and investment in their community. And plenty of attendees and vendors are passionate about stepping up to make a difference.
We had a lot of foot traffic earlier today, so it allowed me to bring that little bit of joy and everything to everyone's morning. It was a bit cloudy, so I'm very excited to be able to participate in the cleaning and seeing all the kids who are here to make this a beautiful neighborhood.
The CSA, alongside other participating community organizations, come together to not only clean the streets, but also promote healthy habits, fresh food options, and more information to passerbys about their cause. A number of volunteers today say they believe in the power of creating environments that welcome all.
I've been in New York City for 22 years, and doing charity work and volunteering to make the city better, that's what it's about, and when you have a team and a family and colleagues that want to support and be a part of this, it makes a big of a difference. It makes you feel like, this is my community and I want to see it grow and I want to be a part of it.
By engaging residents and encouraging community involvement, the Bronx Chamber of Commerce, among other esteemed vendors, are optimistic of seeing a cleaner and greener Mott Haven.
This is a community. The attendees today love their neighborhood. They want to be involved in their neighborhood. They're engaged. And it also shows the growth of the Bronx, that the Bronx is like the borough to be in.
Reporting from BronxNet, I'm Chris Kimella.